Hello, this is Peter from First Maths. Today we're looking at towards a standard multiplication method for Year 4. Here are the resources. A 2 to 9 cards, number cards for each group. Mental learning objective. I can practice division with remainders. Mental learning task. Fit in pairs. Write down a number between 10 and 100. This is your number. Pause the video until everyone has their number. Mental learning task. I'm going to give you a number to divide by. The remainder is your score. I'll then give you another number to divide by your number by. The winner is the one with the largest score when you add up all your remainders. Are you ready? This is the number to divide by. Take your number and divide it by 9. Write down the number and its remainder. Pause the video until you are ready. Here is the number 7 to divide by. Take the 7 and divide your number by it. This is, and then work out the answer and the remainder. Pause the video until everyone is ready. Here is another number to divide by. Take your number and divide it by 5. Write down your answer plus its remainder. Add up your score. Add up all your remainders. How much have you got? Did you win? Pause the video so that everyone can work out their score and if they were the winner. Mental learning objective. I can practice division with remainders. Main learning objective. I can estimate roughly how big the answer will be. I can support mental work with informal jottings and written recordings. I can use standard written method for multiplication. Key idea. I can explain how to multiply using the standard method. Main learning task. Today we're going to learn about different ways of recording multiplication calculations. 23 times 8 equals. Can anyone suggest an approximate answer? Pause the video and discuss. You don't need to work out the exact answer just now, just the approximate answer. So pause the video and discuss. Why do you think that? Fit in pairs. Find a way of solving the sum. Pause the video as the children work out the answer. Write down your workings. Check that your sum is not far from 200. So pause the video and check that their answers are almost correct. If it is a long way, you need to check your calculation. Show your working on the board. Pause the video and show how you did it on the board. Explain your method. Could you make your working simpler? Pause the video and discuss with the class. Today you're going to learn a method for multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Are you ready? If you can do something mentally, you should do so. When you need to write down a method, you should use this method. 23 times 8. Let's first rewrite this as a vertical sum. 23 times 8. Now, what do we multiply first? We multiply the tens first. And so, 20 times 8 is 160. What do we multiply next? We multiply the units next. So, 3 times 8, yeah? 3 times 8 is 24. What happens next? We add them together to make 184. The answer is 184. This is 45 times 9. Let's first rewrite this into a vertical sum. Okay, now what do we do? Now what do we multiply first? We multiply the tens first. So you do your 9 times 40 and write it down. What do we do multiply next? We multiply the units. So we do 9 times 5 and write it down. What happens next? We add them together. Pause the video to get the answer. And the answer is and the answer down there will be your answer. The next one is 53 times 7. Can you work this one out on your own? Can anyone suggest a quick way of doing this? Pause the video and discuss it. Check your answer. Pause the video and discuss and see if you have the same answer. Solve this question. How would you do it using the vertical method? Solve the video, pause the video and solve the question. Now we're going to try something slightly different. Each table needs a pack of number cards 2 to 9. 6, 3 and 2. You could do several calculations with these cards. 32 times 6, 26 times 3, 62 times 3. What others could you do? Work it out and see if you can solve them. Pause the video for a bit. Shuffle the cards. Deal out 3 cards face up on the table. Decide on the multiplication to make with the 3 numbers. Solve your calculations in your head or use the written method you learned today. Anyone who finishes a round can deal out again. It does not matter if you are not ready and miss a round. Solve, pause the video and solve the questions using the cards. Simplification. Children use smaller numbers. Do repeated addition in a number line. And a challenge. Children could try working with bigger more cards, such as TU, tens and units times tens and units, or 100 tens and units times units multiplication problems. Main learning objective. I can estimate roughly how big the answer will be. I can support mental work with informal jottings and written recording. I can use a standard written method for multiplication. Here's the plenary. Discuss the work you did today. Tell me some questions you did in your head. Pause the video while children tell the teacher. Write on the board some of the questions you needed to do on paper. pause the video while you discuss the harder questions. I can explain how to multiply using the standard method. Did you learn this in today's lesson? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. I upload lots of math resources and I would be very happy to share them with you. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!